Good morning, student. After learning the sound of a, e, and o, we are going to learn about sound of I with phonic. Sound of I with phonic sounds. Okay. Now we start with the sound of I. Let us talk about I vowel sounds. I sound, with sound come E. जब भी हम आई राइट करते हैं तो कौन सी साउंड आएगी? ई की साउंड. ओके, साउंड ऑफ आई ई. सो लेट अस फर्स्टली वी हैव रीड इट. स्पीक आई जी. आई के लिए कौन सी साउंड आएगी? ई की. और जी के लिए ग की. आई जी इग. शॉर्ट साउंड इग, like this. आई के लिए ई, जी के लिए ग, इग. आई जी इग. राइट हियर. स्पीक एंड राइट. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम थर्ड लाइन. Like this. Go slant, move back, turn, move back, turn, like this. Go up, go down, touch the fourth line and fold. After that make dot. Okay. Ig ig. Ig ig. Short sound. Ig ig. Next come to the three letter word D I G. Sound of D. D. Sound of D. E G. Dig. Dig. Short sound. Dig. Start from first line. Make a slanting line. Fold like this. Touch the third line. Now that turn. In, out. Make I like this. Like this. I. G. Small g. Speak and write. Dot. D-I-G, dig. D-I-G, dig. Next one is B-I-G, big. E-G, ig. ब की साउंड आएगी. नेक्स्ट बिग. B-I-G, big. Start from first line. How to write big? Make a slanting line. Turn. Go up. First semicircle, second semicircle. Okay. Fold it up, go down, turn like this. Okay. Right here G, small g. Make after that dot. B-I-G, big. Next sound of F. तो यहाँ पर किसकी साउंड आएगी? फ की. I-G, ig. Take short sound. Fig. Fig. Right here. Start from this point. Turn like this. Make a small loop. Go slant. Move back. Move back. Like this. Turn. F-I-G. Fig. Make small sleepy name. F-I-G. Fig. Come to the next line and speak I P. Ip. I P. Ip. I के लिए E की साउंड आएगी like this. Okay. And P के लिए P. I P. Ip. Ip. I P. Ip. Right here. Start from this line. Go slant up. Move back. Go slant and touch the first line. Fold. Go down. Touch the fourth line. Move back on this point and turn. After that make dot on I. I P. Ip. Check the sound. Ip. Ip. Next sound of L. L. I P. Ip. Lip. L I P. Lip. Start from Second line, go up slant, fold down, touch the third line, make a small loop and touch the third line like this. Make small I, go up, down, move back, turn. After that, make dot, L-I-P, lip. Next is S-I-P, sip, S-I-P, sip. Right here S. Start from third line, turn, sound of S, S, I, P, S-I-P, sip. Check the formation carefully. S-I-P, sip. Speak and write. Sound of D, D, E, P, D-I-P, dip. D-I-P, dip. Right here. Start from first line, go slant, fold, to the third line, turn around like this, D, I, P, dip. After that, make dot, D-I-P, dip. Next line is I and in. I के लिए E की sound, N के लिए न, in, I and in. Right here. Start from third line. I, turn, move back, turn. After that, make dot, I and in. Next, P, I and pin. Sound of P, I and in, pin. Start from first line, go slant, turn like this. P, I, N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Next, T, sound of T, I-N, tin, T-I-N, tin, right here. Put your pencil here, turn like this, T, I, N. After that, make dot, T-I-N, tin. Next, W-I-N, sound of W-I-N, in, win. Put your pencil here, like this, turn, W, I, N, win, W-I-N, win. Next, I-T, it, I sound, it, I-T, it, right here, small I, T, slipping line, I-T, it, S-I-T, sit, S, like this, S, I-T, sit, S-I-T, sit. Next one is F, sound of F, I-T, it, F-I-T, fit. Turn like this, small loop, go slant, turn, move back, go up to the second line, move back, F-I-T, fit, F-I-T, fit, P-I-T, P-I-T, pit, P-I-T, pit, P-I-T, pit. Next one and last, I am im, I am im. I के लिए E की sound, like this, and M, E am, im. Start from this point, I am im, I am im. Next, R, I am rim, R, I am rim. H, sound of her, H, I am him, H, I am him. Next, sound of the D, I am dim, D, I am dim, D, I am dim. So student, do your work neat and clean. Thank you student. Have a nice day.